Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a complete first look at the 2026 Honda Civic, a compact sedan that continues to set the benchmark for style, reliability, comfort, and fuel efficiency. The latest Civic is expected to bring a refreshed design, smarter technology, improved performance, and an even more premium interior. If you're planning to buy a stylish daily driver or simply love learning about the newest cars, stay with us until the end because we're covering everything from the exterior and interior to the engine, features, safety, and expected price. Let's get started. The first thing you'll notice about the 2026 Honda Civic is its clean and sporty design. Honda has refined the Civic's appearance with sharper lines, a wider stance, and a more premium look that gives it strong road presence. Finished in a beautiful metallic pearl white paint, the Civic shines brilliantly under showroom lighting. The glossy finish highlights every curve of the body, making the sedan look elegant from every angle. At the front, the Civic features a redesigned gloss black grille with a more aggressive pattern. The slim full LED headlights blend perfectly into the grille, giving the front end a modern and sporty appearance. LED daytime running lights add an upscale touch while improving visibility during the day. The front bumper has been redesigned with larger air intakes and cleaner aerodynamic lines. A sculpted hood flows smoothly toward the windshield, adding to the Civic's athletic character. Moving to the side, the 2026 Civic maintains its sleek, fastback-inspired profile. The roofline flows naturally into the rear, giving the car a coupe-like appearance while still offering the practicality of a four-door sedan. Elegant chrome window trim, body-colored door handles, and gloss black side mirrors create a premium look. Honda is also expected to offer stylish 17-inch and optional 18-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels that perfectly complement the overall design. The body lines are smooth yet sporty, giving the Civic a timeless appearance that appeals to drivers of all ages. Now let's move to the rear. The rear design is simple but elegant. Slim LED taillights stretch across both corners and feature a modern lighting signature that's instantly recognizable at night. A sporty rear bumper, integrated diffuser styling, and subtle trunk lip spoiler complete the athletic look. Depending on the trim level, dual chrome exhaust finishers may also be available. Overall, the exterior design successfully combines sophistication, practicality, and sporty styling. Now let's step inside the cabin. Opening the doors reveals a premium interior that feels more luxurious than ever. Before, Honda has designed the cabin with high-quality soft-touch materials, premium leather seating on higher trims, brushed aluminum accents, and a clean dashboard layout inspired by modern architecture. The seats are supportive and comfortable, making long-distance driving enjoyable. The front seats are expected to offer power adjustment, heating, ventilation, and memory functions on premium models. Rear passengers benefit from generous legroom and headroom, making the Civic one of the most comfortable compact sedans in its class. The dashboard features a fully digital instrument cluster that provides important driving information in a clear and modern layout. At the center sits a large, floating, touchscreen infotainment system supporting wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth navigation, voice commands, wireless charging, USB-C ports, and over-the-air software updates. The cabin also includes dual-zone automatic climate control, ambient lighting, multiple storage compartments, and premium soft-touch materials throughout. Music lovers will appreciate the available premium Bose sound system, delivering rich, clear audio for every journey. The trunk remains spacious enough for luggage, shopping bags, or family travel, making the Civic practical for everyday use. Now let's talk about performance. The 2026 Honda Civic is expected to offer multiple engine options depending on the market. The standard engine may be a 2.0-liter, naturally aspirated four-cylinder, producing around 158 horsepower, providing smooth performance and excellent fuel economy. Higher trims are expected to feature a 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, producing approximately 180 horsepower, offering quicker acceleration while maintaining impressive efficiency. Honda may also continue offering a hybrid version in selected markets, combining a gasoline engine with electric motors for improved fuel economy and lower emissions. Power will likely be sent to the front wheels through either a continuously variable transmission (CVT) or a refined automatic transmission, delivering smooth and responsive performance. The Civic is expected to accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in around 7 to 8 seconds, depending on the engine choice. One of the Civic's biggest strengths is its excellent ride quality. The suspension provides a comfortable driving experience over rough roads, while maintaining confident handling around corners. Steering remains light, precise and easy to control, making city driving and highway cruising equally enjoyable. Fuel economy is expected to remain one of the best in its segment, with many versions capable of achieving excellent mileage for daily commuting. Safety has always been one of Honda's top priorities. The 2026 Civic is expected to include the latest Honda sensing driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation braking, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, road departure mitigation, traffic sign recognition, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, automatic high beams, driver attention monitoring, parking sensors, and a high-definition rear-view camera. These intelligent systems help make every drive safer and more relaxing. Honda is also expected to offer several trim levels, allowing buyers to choose from different wheel designs, interior colors, leather packages, premium audio systems, sunroof options, and exterior styling upgrades. Now let's discuss the expected price. Although official pricing has not yet been confirmed, experts expect the 2026 Honda Civic to start at approximately $26,000 for the base model. Mid-level trims may range between $30,000 and $34,000, while fully equipped hybrid or premium versions could reach approximately $38,000, depending on optional equipment and market availability. The Honda Civic will continue competing against popular compact sedans like the Toyota Corolla, Hyundai Elantra, Mazda 3, Kia K4, Nissan Sentra, and Volkswagen Jetta. What makes the Civic stand out is its perfect balance of reliability, comfort, modern technology, sporty styling, excellent fuel economy, and strong resale value. Overall, the 2026 Honda Civic looks ready to remain one of the best compact sedans on the market. Whether you're buying your first car, upgrading your daily driver, or searching for a dependable family sedan, the new Civic deserves a place at the top of your list. That brings us to the end of today's first look at the 2026 Honda Civic. Which compact sedan would you choose? Comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews of new cars, SUVs, sports cars, and future automotive releases. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Anyway, baby, just name the time. When I'ma come through, can you get me cruising under moonlight? Top down, playing new sounds while the wind blows over it. Checking my maps, heading a stack, keep it intact. Do me a favor, girl. Can you keep it warm for me, keep it on for me like a shower? I need it to run for me, hold it down till I'm pulling up. I finally made it, girl, and I'm at the door.